Smelling something burning from your car in spring? That's more common than you think. And sometimes it's harmless, but sometimes it's not. After winter, leftover debris, fluids, and worn parts start heating up again. And that's when the burning smell shows up. Sign 1. If you smell burning right after startup, it's likely residue on your exhaust. Winter salt and road grime stick to hot exhaust parts. The grime burns off as temperatures rise. Simple fix. Drive normally and let it burn off, but inspect if it continues. Sign 2. If it happens after parking outside, debris may be burning. Leaves and debris fall into the engine bay and land on hot components. Simple fix. Remove debris from the engine bay. Sign 3. If you see smoke under the hood, you may have an oil leak. Oil thickens in winter, then leaks and burns once the engine heats up. Simple fix. Locate and repair the leaking gasket or seal. Sign 4. If it smells like burning rubber, components may be overheating. Rubber bushings or belts expand and wear after winter stress. Simple fix. Inspect and replace worn rubber parts. Sign 5. If it happens while driving, fluid may be leaking onto hot parts. Oil or coolant drips onto the exhaust and burns instantly. Simple fix. Inspect and repair leaks immediately. Sign 6. If it smells from a wheel, your brakes may be overheating. Stuck calipers or dragging pads create excess heat. Simple fix. Inspect and repair brake components. Sign 7. If it smells like burning plastic, it could be electrical. Damaged wires overheat and melt insulation. Simple fix. Inspect wiring and repair immediately. Sign 8. If it happens on short drives, residue is burning off gradually. Winter buildup slowly burns as the engine reheats. Simple fix. Monitor it, but inspect if it continues. Sign 9. If the smell gets stronger, the problem is getting worse. Leaks or overheating parts are progressing. Simple fix. Inspect immediately before it becomes serious. Most burning smells come from debris, leaks, or overheating components. Some are harmless, but others need immediate attention. If you smell something burning, don't ignore it. Your car is warning you before something bigger happens. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.